Alright guys, so in case if you don't remember, way back in the beginning of 2024, I did a game console collection showcase, which included those consoles as well as my 3DS and PSP. Um, Anyways, so in this video, I'm gonna do a little bit of an updated version, except this time I'm just gonna do the startup and I'm also gonna do a noise comparison and to close out the year 2024. By the way, yes, this will be the final video as of 2024 on my channel. So, anyways, let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, we're gonna start off with the first console that I got, and that is my late 2007 or early 2008 Nintendo Wii original. Okay, so, button. There's the menu. Alright, let me put it on. Let's go and mute the music so you guys can hear the disc spinning. Alright, and now let's go ahead. Speaking of the disc, let's go and let's do Wii Sports. So, matter of fact, before we do that, here's so this is what the Wii sounds like without the game. As you can hear, it's pretty quiet. Alright, now here's what it sounds like with the game. So, slide it in. Of course, the disc is reading. And as you can hear, the fans are picking up. And let's get, yep, there it is. A little vibrating. And okay, and that was pretty much it. Alright, let's move on to the next console. Alright guys, now moving on to the next console, and it is my original 2017 Nintendo Switch. And by the way, yes, I did originally get this for Christmas 2017. Power this on. And for the screen, grab the controller. Oh, I still got the TV muted. And so walk up, and there's the vents. As you can see, they're not on at the moment. And so let's try to get it. Let me see if I can put in the game. Alright, let's get Nickelodeon All-Star Brawl. So we'll go ahead and slide it. Let's take this out. If I can. Okay. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but the fans did kick on. Right, let's see if the fans will pick up. Still pretty quiet. Yeah, you know. Yeah, I guess it depends on how long you have to game it, how long you play the game. But anyways, let's move on. Okay, so next up is my 2011 Xbox 360 Slim with Kinect. So power this on. Wait for the startup. There it is. Here's my profile. Wait for that to load up. And okay, let me go ahead and mute that. And let's connect the controller. Okay, there it is. Alright, now let's get a disc inside. Let's do a top chainsaw. Start it up. And this is what the fan sounds like. Okay, alright, let me go ahead and take the disc out. Okay, that's what it sounds like when the disc's out. Alright, and that's it for Xbox 360. Now let's move on. Okay, so here's the next console. It is a 2016 Xbox One S. And yes, I actually did originally get this back in on Christmas 2016. Wait for that to load up. Excuse me. Alright. Go ahead. mute the system. And as you can see, this is what it sounds like without the disc. And now let's see what it sounds like with the disc. Since I got Injustice 2 Legendary Edition. Alright, so we'll put this in. As you can hear it's spinning. Still pretty quiet. Alright, and that is it for Xbox One S 2016. Now let's move on to the next console. Alright, now it's time for the next console, and it is my recent addition, and it's my 2011 PlayStation 3 Slim 320 gigabytes. And if you haven't seen my showcase video, and I did get this for Christmas this year. I'll power this on. Wait for the startup to appear. There it is. And the fans are quiet at the moment. Mute. Oh, wait a minute. Alright. Now let's get the disc in. And Battlefield Hardline. This is actually one of my. Yeah, recently. Yes, I did get some new games to go with this. The PS3. I also have Call of Duty Ghosts and Lego Batman 2. Slide it in. Right. And that's what it sounds like. Wait for it to kick in a little bit more. Okay, so that's what it sounds like as of right now. And I think once you play it a little longer, the fans will actually kick in a little more. Let me get this out. that is it for PS3 Slim. Alright, let's keep it moving. Alright guys, so now we're down to our last home console, and it is my 2015 original PlayStation 4, and I got this as a bundle set. I got this as a, by the way, I got the Uncharted Nathan Drake Collection bundle version, and as you can see, it's all matte black. And I did originally get this in for Christmas 2015 when I was 12 years old. So there's the little LED pan out. Alright, grab the controller. Mute. And as you can hear, this is what it sounds like without the disc. And now we're going to see what it sounds like with a disc. Alright, so I got my favorite here, GTA 5 Premium Edition, that is. Slide that in. Once the fans are picked up, then we're going to just start the game. And see what it sounds like from there. As you can hear, just quiet it down on a little bit. Excuse me. Alright, I just wanted to show you guys how it would sound. So I'm going to go ahead and take it out. Place this back in the case. And that is it for PlayStation 4. Let's move on. Alright guys, we're down to our last console, and this is a 2010-ish PlayStation Portable 3000. And I got this for Christmas 2019. So we'll power this on. And as you can tell by the menu, it's similar to my PS3s. Alright, let me go and put in a game for you guys. Which is, looks like I got Bricktown High. We'll go and pop it open, slide it into the tray, close, and that's what it sounds like. In fact, let me show you guys the game startup. you can hear, the game is still spinning. Alright, let me go ahead and take the game out. And that is it for PSP. Alright guys, and that is it for this, for my game console startup slash noise comparison. Anyway, so some of you guys are probably going to ask, what am I going to do for my PS3 video? Well, I recently ordered a media remote control for it, and once I have that, so once I get that, sometime either this week or next week, I will try to do I'll try to get that video out of the way for you guys, and I also do plan on getting some more games to go with it, such as like Call of Duty Black Ops or maybe some NBA or whatever it is that I work out. But yeah. Anyways, that is a wrap for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, be sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe for more, tap the bell to get notified, and my social media links will be in the description box down below. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.